Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do the makeup that I do when I'm wearing lashes. The makeup that I do for lashes is more on the lighter side because as you can see, my lashes are something. It's big. It makes my eyes look like. In order to balance my whole face out, this is the makeup that I would typically do when I feel like I want to wear lashes. Let's get started. For complexion, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer. 2 pumps. I think lash makeup could also be my somewhat of a lazy makeup, or it's a perfect on-the-go mask makeup as well. For my foundation, I'll be going in with the Shiseido foundation. I love this foundation. It might be light for me. Let's see. Nope. I think I lost my tan. So I think I only took half a pump. I have the most pigmentation right here because of my previous acne days, so I usually love to conceal that either with a concealer or with a foundation. Blend it out, sheer it out. I could name this my 5-minute get ready with me. With whatever's left, put it on your forehead. This is light for me. I look like an egg monster. Now in with contouring and bronzing at the same time, I'm taking my trusty Milk Makeup matte bronzer. So today I am wearing more of a dramatic lash for me. This is a brand called Evry lashes in Happy Hour. So like I said, I'm Monolid. I have an Asian feature, and I saw this brand on Instagram and they were catering Asian monolid eyes, and I was like, oh, let me try. And I like it. I like it. It's definitely more extra than what I would usually go for, but on days where I look like very rough, I go for lashes like this because I just want all the attention here and not anywhere else. Do we look put together? Not yet. Not yet. We just started. Let's go into the blush. I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Petal Poppin blush. Very well loved. So right now, the 21 days of Ulta Beauty is going on, but this year is the first year that I haven't really purchased anything because 1, I want to use up the makeup that I already have, and 2, these days I'm really into more of a skincare than makeup because as I'm aging or as I'm getting older, I can see how important taking care of your skin is, and I've been really into finding some affordable skincare or skincare that really suits me and that I don't break out in, because I break out like slightly dusting my face. If I were to do this makeup before I go out, I would set my whole face, but today I'm not, so look at this glow. This blush, I have 2. Do I want more? I think I do. I think I do. This just gives you, it sets. It's still a bit sticky, but it sets and it gives you this beautiful, beautiful glow that you don't really have to apply highlighters. Now for my eyes, I don't do much. I only do, say, 2 colors. 1 on the crease, 1 in the corners. And I've been loving to use this face palette, Dior Backstage face palette, and taking this bronzer shade and putting it on my eyelids. Would you guys want a fall makeup tutorial soon? because technically next week is the beginning of fall. I know I used to live in Minnesota and their fall began in August. And now I live in a totally different area where there is no fall. It's like summer, fall, winter, spring, summer. Yeah, but I do love fall. It's my favorite season. So this adds a little bit of dimension and shimmer because it has a shimmer texture. And taking this highlighter shade and highlight the inner corner. Guys, this is such an easy look. If you guys don't want to wake up early to do your makeup for work, pop on a lash, foundation, blush, this, done. For me, can I go a day without eyeliner? No. So I'm taking this Better Than Sex waterproof eyeliner and drawing the littlest wing. Ta-da! This really helps to elongate my eye shape, but isn't this like the shortest wing you've ever seen on my channel? Let me add a little bit more blush. I'm taking this Patrick Ta Duo blush and She's That Girl. This is a very cute pink shade. If I were to use more pink on my face, then these two are the only pink that I would go for. Look, they're the same tone. This is a bit lighter. I shall go in with this Pat McGrath lip gloss. It's the mini trio set that I got. The shade is Sunset Rose. I love me some gloss. Woo! Flip my hair. Set my face. Milani. I heard they came out with this fruit scented setting spray and I really wanna try it, but it's sold out everywhere because it's how good it is. That's it. That is it. This is my go-to lash makeup in 5 minutes. If I wasn't talking or filming, I would have been done way long ago. Just because you have lashes on, don't feel pressured to have a full face on unless you're going out. But also, if you're going out and you feel more comfortable with the natural soft glam look, this is the makeup that you can do. Little bit of wing color on the lid, pop of highlight in the inner corner, blush, cream contour. I've been really into cream products lately, so yeah, and I think they stay on your face longer. But I do have to explore more drugstore cream products, so I'm really excited to try more out. And oh, excuse me. And if you guys have any recommendations, please leave it in the comment box below. Please like and subscribe, and please check out my Instagram. It's makeup by Juby. It's look like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Settling in, settling down.